guys, what's up everyone? Oh my god, we're moving apartments and I've never done this before. If you've seen my previous videos, I've only ever had one apartment in my life. There is an apartment tour of my first ever apartment, which is this little studio, which was so special to me when I got it. But it's time to move out. It's been 2 years. We're moving to a 1 BHK, which I'm so excited about. I'll finally have so much space for house parties to invite people over. But my new apartment, it has so many amenities. I'm so excited about that. We've got pools, gyms, basketball, paddle courts, and all the good stuff. And I'm so excited we finally got wooden floors in my new apartment. I've always wanted wooden floors. I'm gonna get to see the apartment in broad daylight for the first time ever, and I would love to take you guys with me, and I thought it would be a fun little video to vlog the whole process and give you guys like an empty apartment tour in Dubai. But let's go collect the keys. Okay, so I'm on my way to go collect the keys now to my apartment. Ooh, exciting stuff. And then we're gonna go and get the first look. I know my video's gonna get copyrighted if I play music, but who cares? It's my life, it's now or never, but I ain't gonna live forever. Guess we just got the keys and the access card. It's official! I got a new apartment! Oh my god, so exciting! When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. Now it's on. Apartment tour coming shortly. Welcome to the vlogger life. How do you feel? She's gonna be filming me today. Team Tilbury.
Team Tilbury. Yeah.
Now you're gonna join the club. So much light. I'm so happy about all this light. So this is the entrance. This is where I love the color schemes. Like, you know, it's so like white and beige. And in my previous apartment, I had an issue like this was so high. I couldn't reach it. Now I can actually like stalk who's here, you know. Like, that's cool. This, I think, is like, I love the finishing. It's like matte black and stuff. Ooh, like a washing machine is gonna be in this. So modern. Like, I love that. There's so much storage here as well. I love that the switches are labeled like washing machine and refrigerator. It's so cool. And like this little space for the fridge. Yeah. I love the floors. I love this. And I've always wanted these wooden kind of floors. Yeah, it's so aesthetic. But right here is the kitchen. So much storage, but I'm so happy about that. It's just endless space and space and space. I love the glossy finish and then the glass finish here. Like, it's so modern. And there's an oven. Is that an oven? Is this an oven?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I can bake. I've never had an oven before, so I'm super excited about that.
We have 4 burners, so yeah,
so much.
So nice.
And I love that the sink is bigger than my studio apartment. Maybe like a little tea station or a coffee situation going here would be nice. And some fresh flowers here. It's so bright. I love that it's so bright. But this is the balcony. Oh my gosh, it's not winter. I'm telling you, this is like 40-degree weather. It's super hot. And I'm pretty sure the sun rises, this is like east facing. But yeah, I think I'll be able to see sunrise and sunset and get beautiful lighting, lots of golden hour photos. So I'm so excited about that. I don't know why it's so hot though, like, what?
It's not even winter yet.
Okay, I think here I can have like the TV set up and like my sofa couch here and maybe like a musical corner this side. Here, maybe that side.
That side, yeah.
Like my piano, my guitar, and like some paintings would be nice. I mean, everything feels spacious when you live in a studio. This is, I think, the guest bathroom. We have like 1.5 bathrooms. This is the bedroom. Perfect, like.
Perfect, yeah.
I think a queen bed here and like a dresser situation here. My work desk there would be the perfect setup. And with the curtains, and it looks so pretty. Or maybe like a TV. Yeah, Netflix and chill. TV here. Bed here, some rugs and some large mirrors and some plants. And I just love how everything's so matte and black. And I love that we have 4 wardrobes. So much wardrobe space and 4 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've never had these many doors before. And it's so spacious. Oh my god. There's so many drawers. Mirror here and then
Oh, there's a mirror.
Oh my god, like so many mirrors and so much space. And the bathroom, oh my gosh, I love the finishings. Like I love the shower. It's so pretty, very nice shower. Like it has that aesthetic, you know, like self-care vibe. So much storage, like in the bathroom as well. So exciting. But yeah, that is pretty much the bedroom, and I love that there's so much light even in the bedroom. And what do you think?
I love it. I love it. I mean, I wish I could go here too.
So echoing, and I love how high the ceilings are. Like it just makes it feel so much more spacious. Like high ceilings, floor to ceiling windows, and the balcony. And I'm able to see sunrise and sunset like from my bed. I love that.
It's so spacious.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I look really small compared to this building right here. Like, and I feel like during Christmas it would be so fun to have a Christmas tree here, like
Oh my
big
God,
one. I could have
yes.
a big Christmas tree and then set up a buffet table here and like we can have a Christmas party.
Those night, yeah.
Okay, thank you for filming my video. Thanks for coming. We've been looking for the entrance to my parking because my access card is getting rejected in every single entrance. So we're trying to find the right entrance.